Hopefully it helps you remove it a lot easier instead of using a press. Go ahead and soak the bearing from the opposite side so PB blaster can basically seep down in between the bearing and the casing, I guess. I'm not sure if it's gonna really help. I do have a 30 long and I have a 32 short.
Oh, the transmission casing. Oh my goodness.
That is the bearing right there. If you take a look on this side, you're gonna have 2 star drive screw bolts with a retaining thing, and that actually keeps the bearing from actually sliding out. It doesn't help from it breaking. Normally, this tube would sit right there, and it would look like that. And I have a brand new one in that Modern Performance box sitting on my wheels. I'm gonna have to put this on a piece of 2x4 or something and bang it out. This is the stuff that I purchased. New release bearing. This is the ACT one. I'll size that up in a minute. What I want to do is a side-by-side. And then the replacement, I'm gonna have to take it out of the package. And right there you guys can see. Level. Part number 05069049AA. So that is the new input shaft bearing. And this right here is the old one. The bearing that is being pushed out is this piece. You can see them side by side. This is what breaks. Discoloration is due to heat and it breaking off and just sitting there sliding on the input shaft. That's what it should look like inside. Let's take them over in the sunlight, maybe you can see it. So, there's like grooves in it, and that actually helps keep lube in there and slide back and forth on that tube, the input shaft bearing tube. My transmission's gonna shift so much smoother, especially when this comes back from Ricardo. Ooh, can't wait. All right, so I have a T30 star drive. These star drive bolt screws that hold this plate in to hold the bearing in, sometimes they are really stuck in there and seized. So a good thing to do is put the T30 and take a hammer just like this and give it a few nice solid smacks and keep it firm, press down, and turn it counterclockwise when you are smacking it. Do that a few times and hope and pray to God that your ratchet and strength can go ahead and take them out just like this. I was nervous, but I let them sit in some PB blaster for a little while and I got them. I was nervous. After doing some cleaning and talking to a few different people, I've come to the conclusion that, well, mainly Ricardo and a few other people, like I made the other video the other day, him and a few other people told me that I should just go ahead and use the 32mm socket and smash it out. So this is a 32mm socket and it fits right over it. Right? So I think I'm just gonna go ahead and risk it and smash it. You can see I have my casing on these 4x4s down here. Right? You can see how I have it positioned side by side. Basically one sitting here and one sitting here because I still have my shifter cable bracket. You can see right here I have studs on my outer perimeter. Now this is where the cap would go. We already took that apart off this casing right there. Those are the shifter forks also. Yeah, that's my 2003 input shaft and output shaft. So input shaft, output shaft. Hopefully this goes smoothly. Wish me luck. These are two things I have here, 1/2-inch extension and that 32mm Craftsman I've had for years. I'm hoping that both these Craftsmans hold up to this. I'm gonna take my yellow heat. I'm just heating it up enough that the outer parameter swells. I'm hoping to be able to knock that bitch out. I'm scared, but Ricardo tells me that it'll work. You guys, it is moving. It is. Word. So 32mm. When you're doing this, keep it centered. Take the 1/2-inch extension, push down on the 32mm, and when you hit, put even more pressure on that 1/2-inch. I'm gonna go ahead and do it again. So you want solid hits like that. See, it's a little bit down already. Here we go, you guys. Thankfully. Woo! Thank you, Ricardo. And thank you to Joel for putting me onto this and putting you all onto this. Yo, I was nervous, but you can definitely do it with a 32mm and a 1/2-inch, about roughly 6 inches long, along with the home improvement hammer. Watch this, you guys. I'm gonna mess with Ricardo hardcore.
Bro, I fucking broke the transmission casing. I'm not, oh yo, oh my fucking, I shouldn't have done it.
I can't wait till see what he says. Also, since I have the transmission out, I didn't do this axle seal right there, and I wanted to because it was leaking a little bit before I even left Massachusetts. It doesn't look so well, so I do want to remove that. I do have, oh, right here, I think this, yeah, this is the bag. So, I don't know where my, shit. I don't know where it's at. I might have to find it. I don't know where I put it. I was just saying, I'm like, dude, if I don't have this thing, I'm gonna be so heated because I'm gonna have to hit up Dodge and then they're gonna charge me X amount of dollars for it because every Dodge dealership is different price, you guys. If you call a dealership in California and you call a dealership in Massachusetts and call a dealership in Florida for the same exact part, they'll tell you different prices. This Dodge dealership just called me that my $38 axle seal is ready to be picked up. Yes, I know, I paid $38 because I wanted it next day. So I sent Ricardo some pictures of my pressure plate and I was like, oh, my teeth are fucked too. And I sent him a little video. Closely looking at it, dude. Look at it. It's definitely bent my my forks and wore them away or some shit. He goes, pressure plate is fine. What did you break on the case? I go, nothing, just messing with you. And I sent him this. No, I got it out, bro. Thankfully. You know, honestly, if I didn't have that 32mm and that 1/2-inch extension, I would probably be bugging right now and having to pay a machine shop or something. So I want to give a shout out to Joel and putting a new one in, but that's the thing, that's where I'm at. Like, I got a comment from Reaper SRT-4 Joel Rivera, and it's posted right there on the right. He basically said that I could go ahead and do it with a certain socket. And Jeremy Ferron, he's actually from Canada. We talked a little bit on Messenger. So Joel, Jeremy,
Ricardo. I really appreciate you guys, I really do. I hope this helped somebody. I really do, because it helped me. You wanna say bye to everybody? Are you shaking? Well, you guys, we hope you guys love this video. If you did, subscribe if you're new to this channel. Mwah. And comment down below. Let me know if it's gonna help you, if it helped you, and or if you've ever accomplished this same technique on your own bell housing on your Neon SRT-4. So subscribe, comment, like, share, all that good stuff, you guys. And until next time, guys, be easy and stay tuned. Peace. Nice, you guys, look at that, nice and flush.